Hi guys, we received this Sputnik lamp for reviewing purposes, so let me take it out of the box and see what comes inside. Okay, this is it. It comes really well protected with foam, which I think is a nice thing, so it doesn't become damaged. And in here we have the installation manual, okay, which I think it's really nice. In here we have the ceiling base with all the attachments that you need to install it, which I think it's a nice option. And in here we have the main unit. It comes disassembled, but I think it's gonna be really easy to assemble it. And what is nice is that it comes with a chain, and you don't have to wire it necessarily, because you can just plug it in to your electrical outlet, which I think it's an advantage because, well, it's easier to just have a regular wall plug and connect it, which I think it's really nice and makes it easier to use. So let's go ahead and start installing it, assembling the arms, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I placed it a little bit lower than I think I should, but I think it's nice because that way I can, well, change the light bulbs any way I like. As you can see, it's an 8 light bulb Sputnik lamp, which I think is really nice. I didn't have 8 same light bulbs, so I placed some different ones and everything, but I think it looks really nice. It's an interesting design, I must say. And what I think it's really nice is because you don't need to wire it, you can just turn it off with a switch when it's connected to your electrical outlet. I have the switch right here, you see, which I think it's a really nice function, and overall I like it a lot. It was really easy to place it, virtually just hang it wherever you need it. It comes with different kinds of bases, so you can place them where you need it, and I think it's really nice. I like it a lot. Some said you don't need to wire anything, which makes it easier and convenient to place it wherever you want, and I will really recommend it. See you guys!